Guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and in this video I am decorating for the week of August 9th through the 15th, and I'm going to be using this Seasonal Teacher brand new sticker book. I have not used this yet at all, so this fall section is going to be the first one that I'm going to be pulling from. So I'm going to start out, normally this is what I do, I start out with the sidebar. It just kind of helps me to get started in like a neutral area, which is most of the time where I'm going to put like grocery list or to-do list or some cute decorations that I kind of pull from all the inspiration for the full spread, if that makes sense. So I put down this make a list like long sidebar sticker, and then I went ahead and put some bullet points with my mild liner, the thin tip side. Then I put down this like really thin washi because my husband's out of town, so I'm gonna, after I take the before the pen picture, I'll write in everything, but I'm gonna write in that he's in Texas, so I have that long strip to show like the extent of the trip. Overall, I'm really happy with myself with this spread. I'm proud that I made super quick decisions as far as sticker placement. I think it's really to my advantage that my husband's out of town in that aspect, because there's really not a ton going on. I think my mom's gonna come over one day and my dad's gonna come over one evening, but other than that, I have a lot of open space where I can put just lots of stickers. So I didn't try to go too heavy like at first, but you know, as normal, if you guys are not new here and you're a regular watcher, I fill everything in afterwards. That's when I put more stickers down, and I am most of the time a no white space planner, which means every inch of the page I try to like have filled with either writing or stickers. I don't like many large gaps of the white page, so after the pen, when I share that on Instagram, most of the time it's just really filled in, and I like it. That's my vibe. So I pulled this big fall sticker out, and I'm happy with that. Although the color isn't perfectly matching, I'm happy with it. I like those big huge letters. These stickers were super fun. I like the muted tones of the fall colors like peach and then navy and those really beautiful green hues. That is going to be it. Super quick one. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye guys.